Hey guys, I'm Samantha and this is my daughter Madison.
Hi.
Hi. Today we're going to be telling you about Usborne's pullback books and wind-up books. Today we have Busy Bug book. It's our Ladybug pullback book. Busy Helicopter book and our wind-up pirate ship book. Okay, you play with that one. My son's wanting to play too, huh? Yeah, you want to play? He's 8 months. Okay, let's show them how this works. So you just pick a page. Each page has a track on it. And it comes with a little toy, which requires no batteries and is replaceable for $3. So if they lose them, we have more. So you just start it, and it goes along the track. Oop. And it stopped there. There we go. And then it says stuff along the way. The busy helicopter flies above the cliffs, across the sea, over people on the beach, past 2 rock climbers, and finds the boys on the rocks to save. He's trying to get it. He's so silly. Alright, then put it on the track. Oh, okay, that's good. There we go. Good job. Woo! You like that one?
Yeah.
That one's a cool one, huh? Okay, so then it just goes back in here. And we have tons of these. We have, what else do we have? We have a train one and a car one. And these are just so neat. That goes in there. And then we have a ladybug one as well. This is a ladybug in her garden. Or around the pond. I'm going to show them that one. Here, I want to do it up here because it's, there you go. All right. Oh, Mason's trying to get it. So yeah, that's our Busy Bug book. There's more. And it also has little hidden things for you to find in the picture. And just really, really neat. That one's neat, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Now let's show them this wind-up pirate ship book. This one's a neat one, too. Okay. This one's the same with the tracks on each page. Okay. You want to start it right there at the beginning? Alright, that one's neat. And that's the pirate ship one. Again, requires no batteries. And these are replaceable for $3 each.
Aww.
It's okay. We'll get it going again.
Hi.
Super, super neat. Whoop. There you go. We started it the wrong way, huh? And these are wind-up books. We have a London bus one. And train one, and this one too. And just all kinds of neat ones. And you can find these on my website as well at buyubam.com. That's BUYUBAM.com. All right, we're going to get going. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.